Myself, Nikita. I am studying in Brilliant Moral School 9th class. Today we are going to discussing about diffusion. Diffusion is a natural and physical process which happens on its own without stirring or shaking. The solutions, liquid and gases, undergo diffusion as the molecules are able to move randomly. The molecules collide with each other and change the direction. Diffusion is an important process which is involved in the different life process. In all living species, diffusion plays an important role in the movement of the molecules during the metabolic process in the cells. For examples, balloons. Ever notice how helium balloons slowly lose their lift? That's because the helium is gradually diffusion from a helium rich environment inside the balloon to the helium poor environment of the outside air. Food coloring. A drop of food coloring in a glass of water colors the water through diffusion. The dye molecules slowly spread evenly through the liquid, creating one particular shape. Perfume. When perfume is produced in one part of a room, it spreads to the rest through diffusion. There are fewer of the scent producing chemicals in the further parts of the room, so the molecules naturally spread out. Soda. Sodas go flat through diffusion. Air has lower concentration of that bubbly carbon dioxide that the drink does, so the carbon dioxide molecules depart the beverage and spread into the air. Tea. Stirring loose tea leaves into hot water using a tea bag includes osmosis as water flows into the bag. Causes the chemicals that make tea to diffuse into the water, producing the all important beverage. Breathing. Take a deep breath and thank diffusion. Oxygen only gets into your bloodstream when oxygen molecules you breathe into diffuses into deoxygenated blood. Breathing in and out is a mechanical action, not diffusion, but the oxygen actually enter your bloodstream through diffusion. Calcium. Calcium is not just for bones. It is vital for all sorts of physical functions, including sending nerve signals and making muscles move. When there's not enough calcium in our bloodstream, your thyroid gland secretes a chemical causing your bones to release calcium when then diffuses into your blood and solves the problem. Kidneys. It's hard to get excited about kidneys, but you really do need the things. Kidneys filter dangerous chemicals from your bloodstream through microscopic tubes called nephrons. Nephrons separate blood from waste chemicals and toxins, then reroute the water and nutrient in the blood through diffusion. The rest gas to the bladder and out. Liver. Your liver does all sorts of interesting things, but at the top of the list, it synthesizes the proteins. You need those, your blood is made up of them. In the process, it produces a potentially dangerous waste product called urea. Thankful for you and your liver. The urea that diffuses into the bloodstream into upstream of your up-mounted kidneys where it's filtered out. Water. Being largely made up of water, the human body is in a state of diffusing water from one place to another. In fact, the process is also constant and complex that MRIs sometimes focused only on water diffusion in the body to track and diagnose illness. Air pollution, not one of the nicer forms of diffusion, but here we are. Air is in its natural state consists of approximately 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 1% of iron, 0.4% of carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gas. Many agriculture industries and mechanical process rely on the ability to produce other stuff as waste. The waste diffuses into the air and consequences ensue. This is the examples of diffusion. Thank you.
If you need like this important matters, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you everybody.